doing a giveaway for this Knit Crate yarn. It's $24.95 per month with 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet. If you'd like to join the membership, you can sign up under me and you get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code Jill20. All information is listed below this video. I have a new Facebook group and page if you'd like to join. And I have an Etsy store if you'd like to take a look around, and 2 books on Amazon for sale for crocheting for beginners and crocheting hats. All of that information is listed down below. To participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is comment down below something crochet related. I'll pick a winner in a couple of weeks with a random comment picker and send it out to you as soon as possible. You could also comment down below maybe something you're looking for a crochet video that you haven't seen yet to give me ideas. Now this is the yarn. It's like a very soft gray and white mix. If you can see that. And it's, here's the information for it. It is 45% wool, baby alpaca, organic cotton, 274 yards, hand wash only. So that's the information for this yarn. You get 2 of them if you're the winner. You know, come back in a couple weeks and make sure to look to see if you're the winner. I like to post it on groups just so everybody can have a chance to find out if you're the winner. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice, soft. You get 2 of them, like I said, and here is a little logo pin knit crate, which is really cute. You get that. And then here's the booklet. There's sock yarns, very pretty. The patterns, crochet socks, knit socks, crochet scarf. Here's a wild berry scarf, very pretty. This is a crocheting. Here is some leg warmers, cozy. This is a knit pattern. This is a combination of crocheting and knitting if you know how to do both. Here's some socks, which are also knit, very pretty, nice design to them. And some fireside side socks, very nice, crochet. Yarnville on Ravelry, if you're on there, I'm on there if you want to check me out. I put all my patterns on there. Okay, so this is the book of patterns, and like I said, comment down below something crochet related. Make sure you're a subscriber as well, and check back in a week or 2 to see if you're the winner. Usually I do it within 2 weeks. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.